In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email signature in Kit.com. We'll build a clean, reusable signature you can drop into your emails in just a few clicks. Start by opening the Kit dashboard. Once you're in, head to the Send area. This is where you manage content you'll reuse in messages. Inside Send, select Snippets. Snippets are small, reusable pieces of content, perfect for an email signature so you don't have to rebuild it every time. Create a new snippet. When the editor opens, choose Blocks. Blocks arrange elements vertically and give a tidy, stacked layout that works great for signatures. Inline is better for short text that sits within a sentence, but for a signature, Blocks keeps things consistent across different email clients. Click Add Content to start building. Use the plus icon to insert your first element and choose Image. Now select. Choose an image to upload and pick a logo or headshot from your computer. Aim for a clear, small file so your emails stay lightweight. A PNG or JPG with modest dimensions works well. If the preview looks good, you're set. Remember, you can always replace the image later if your branding changes. Back at the top, rename the snippet to something descriptive so it's easy to find later, something like email signature or signature marketing. Clear names save time when your snippet library grows. Next, add your text. Click the plus icon again, choose paragraph, and type your name and your title or role. Keep it concise and professional. If you like, you can separate lines with a simple line break for readability. Consistency is key here, so match the formatting your team prefers and avoid adding long disclaimers unless your organization requires them. You can always update this text later if your role or branding changes. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it, your signature snippet is ready. From now on, you can insert this saved snippet whenever you compose messages in Kit, keeping your emails on brand and consistent without any extra effort. To recap, you opened the dashboard, went to Send, entered snippets, created a new snippet with the blocks layout, added an image, uploaded it, named the snippet clearly, added a paragraph with your name and role, and saved your work. With these steps, you've built a clean, reusable email signature that's quick to maintain and easy to apply across your communications. Thanks for following along. Your new signature is ready to go.